Welcome to another exciting episode of This Week in AI Advancements. From groundbreaking brain to music technology to revolutionary AI, chatbots and the potential of room temperature superconductors, we've got it all covered. Let's dive into this week's most remarkable technological breakthroughs. Our journey begins with an extraordinary collaboration between Google and Osaka University, resulting in a groundbreaking method called brain-to-music. This innovation reconstructs music from human brain activity captured through functional MRI scans. By training a sophisticated language model on vast musical datasets, researchers have achieved remarkable results. Next, we have an exciting development on the horizon: Apple's GPT. Based on Apple's proprietary framework, this internal AI chatbot technology aims to rival existing chatbots in the market. From transforming customer support experiences to enhancing Siri's capabilities, Apple GPT promises to redefine room temperature user interactions. In another corner of innovation, meet Arnav Kapoor, the genius behind Alter Ego. This AI-enabled device allows users to engage in natural language conversations without speaking a word aloud. Alter Ego opens doors for enhanced communication by tapping into internal speech articulation, especially for individuals with speech disorders. Our journey continues with the discovery of LK99, a potential room temperature superconductor. Its transformative impact extends to quantum computing, AI, battery efficiency, and a more promising sustainable and advanced future. The implications are staggering, as LK99 could reshape the computing landscape as we know it. In the realm of AI language models, the recent trademark application by OpenAI for GPT-5 has ignited excitement, as the AI community eagerly anticipates updates. The potential of GPT-5's capabilities and its impact on language understanding and human-machine interaction hold great promise. Our final spotlight is on Overflow AI and the crucial topic of AI regulation. With AI systems potentially enabling harmful activities, stakeholders call for governmental mechanisms to restrain AI capabilities. The collaborative effort of leading AI companies through the Frontier Model Forum aims to promote AI safety and responsible use. And that's a wrap on this week's Transformative AI Advancements. From music generated by the mind to reimagining communication and pushing the boundaries of superconductors and language models, technology never ceases to amaze us. Join us next week for more exciting updates on the forefront of innovation. Thanks for watching.